Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for water sign Cancer for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Cancer, your messages. And your first card, Five of Cups, the World, and Five of Swords. Yeah, for some there is separation between both of you. Definitely there are some fighting or some disagreements between you and your person. Five of Swords is with Five of Cups. And the World card is here. Definitely this could be long distance relationship. You both are living different cities, different countries and different states. And some cycles are going to be end between both of you. I think for some there is separation. For some there is no contact between both of you. If there is any contact between both of you, it is less. Five of Cups, definitely one person feeling very sad for the separation between both of you. It could be you or your person, energy could be vice versa. Five of Swords, definitely there are some disagreements. The World, it could be long distance relationship or some cycles are going to be end. So let's see some more, we will get clarity. Ten of Cups, Temperance, Nine of Swords. Yeah, one person feeling very sad in this connection for sure, and they are not sleeping at night times and they are in depression and anxiety. See this card, definitely they are getting a lot of thoughts about the other person and they are not sleeping well and they are in depression and anxiety. Nine of Swords, lot of source energy. Due to source energy they are getting a lot of thoughts about the other person or about the relationship. They are not unable to sleep well at night times especially. So you or a person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Temperance means there is no balance in this connection. Patience and balance is needed. Definitely there is no. That's why the separation is happened between both of you for some. And you or your person could be Sagittarius also. And Ten of Cups. Definitely you both are wishing for this or one person is wishing for this, but it is not happening. Still one person hoping for this Ten of Cups in this connection. The Fool, Queen of Wands, Two of Cups. What is going? Yeah, one person in this connection is very passionate about the other person. Queen of Wands, one person is stand by their power. You or your person could be Sagittarius. And the Fool, definitely they want new beginning and one person want to take leap of faith. And Two of Cups, definitely both love each other. Two of Cups is here, but there are some issues. For some it could be third party, for some any reason, definitely, but still you both love each other, you both wishing for this connection, but one person strongly want new beginning in this connection. It could be you or your person. Definitely one person is very sad for the separation. Let's see the Chariot, King of Cups, Nine of Wands. Yeah, there is some movement in this connection. Definitely in near future one person want, you or your person could be Cancer also. Lot of water energy, you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And King of Cups, that person has strong emotions for the other person. I think it could be you Cancer, you have strong emotions for your person. And Nine of Wands, I think one person in this connection is guarded up. I think it's you Cancer, but your person is very sad for the separation between both of you, but you stand by your power because due to some reasons you are guarded up now, but you love your person, but your person is very sad for the separation between both of you. They are not sleeping, energy could be vice versa, they are in anxiety and depression, but you are moving in your life. I am getting after the separation also. The Chariot is here, but your person want a new beginning with you, or you start some new beginnings in your life, in career wise, whatever, in different areas of your life. So let's see your person current feelings and actions, then we will get more clarity. Your person current feelings towards you, Cancer. See two cards, Nine of Swords and Hermit. Definitely the Nine of Swords card is your person's card. Ten of Wands. Yeah, I already told you they are in depression and anxiety. Definitely they are undergoing some spiritual awakening and they are feeling like this without you. They are overburdened, or for some it could be due to their work pressure also. Yeah, the Hermit, you or your person could be Virgo. Definitely they are undergoing some spiritual awakening. They isolated themselves from all. They are not talking to anyone. Yeah, because they are undergoing some pain also. It is also one type of spiritual awakening. So let's see the near future actions towards you. But you are going with the flow of your life. The Empress, the near future actions towards you. The Magician, Four of Cups. I want one more card clarification. Lot of cards, but I am not taking. Five of Swords. Yeah, there are some disagreements. They are thinking about these things a lot when they are alone, especially at night times. Definitely they are feeling sad for the missed opportunity, and they are seeing like this, or they are want to become like this. They want to stand by their power, and they want to manifesting you back. And they're feeling sad for the missed opportunity. Four of Cups with you, but in near future they don't want to miss the opportunity. And Five of Swords, they want to things clear. They want to clear the things between both of you, because Five of Swords sometimes giving up fighting for the relationship. Definitely your person want to manifest it back in their life. For some, your person sees you like this, Empress. They are very, very sad without you. Definitely Nine of Swords 2 times. Five of Cups. They are very sad. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Ten of Wands. The Death. You or your person could be Scorpio also. Two of Swords. The Sun. For some it could be third party situation, children's involved also. I think one person is married and have kids, and you both are married or have kids. Something issues are there, but this connection is undergoing some transformation. I think you both are undergoing some transformations and spiritual awakening. Two of Swords, you both are at some crossroads, or one person at crossroads, or one person feeling very burdened. I think your person feeling very, very burdened. They're very, very overburdened right now. And the Sun, definitely, but you both seeing some positive in this connection. Still this happening in this connection. Still you both are seeing something positive in this connection, but one person has to make decision, because Two of Swords is at some crossroads. They have to make decision. You both undergoing some spiritual awakening. For some, you both are also feeling burdened without each other. So let's see your overall energy, Cancer, for the week. The Hierophant, Four of Cups, and Two of Pentacles. I think your person feelings like you are not going to accept their cup of love. Four of Cups is 2 times. Your person also got this card. I think you both are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with each other. And Two of Pentacles, I think you also have to take decision. Two of Pentacles, juggling. Definitely some juggling is there. And Hierophants, definitely some commitment issues. You have to make some major decision regarding commitment. Definitely, I think you want to commit to this connection, but you have to make clear decision, because Two of Pentacles is here, some juggling. Four of Cups is here. You are also, for some, you don't want to offer the cup of love which is offered by your person. For some, you are also feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person, and you also want to commit to you. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Ace of Pentacles, High Priestess, the Lovers. Yeah, definitely there is intimacy between both of you. You or your person could be Gemini. And High Priestess, definitely this time your person trusting their intuition. And Ace of Pentacles, yeah, they want to offer long-term commitment. Yeah, they're coming back with the offer. Definitely they are manifesting you back, the Magician energy. And after the transformation, definitely they will manifest you, because they, after the spiritual awakening, they are trusting their intuition. And the Lovers, definitely there is love between both of you. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energy, Aries, Leo, Sag, fire energy. These two energies are heavy in this reading. and lot of water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus is also there, but it is not as much as fire energy and air energy. So this is the reading for you, Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for the support. Bye.